Hello. Today I'm going to demo the mobile web version of Persice. I'm actually recording this demo on my desktop, but I'm using the Chrome emulator so you can see the URL here. So I'll go ahead and log in. And you can see that the app requires different permissions from Facebook. We collect some additional data beyond just the standard Facebook login. Okay, so now we've logged in, and right off the bat, the app is asking about my interests. So I'll just select a few things here. I can also type them in. So hiking, kite surfing. Now the app is asking about my goals and provides a few examples here, like learning how to salsa dance or discovering new hiking trails. For me, I'm going to put join a Tough Mudder team. And I'd also like to find a mountain biking partner. I can also enter a completely custom goal, like connect with a machine learning expert. Enter that. Gets good for now. So I'll go to the next page. Now the app is asking about offers or things that I could offer the Persice community. So for example, I can help people practice their Spanish, or I can help people with their tennis, or people looking for tennis partners. So in this case, I'm going to put mentoring young tech entrepreneurs. And let's see, I could provide kids with baseball coaching. Used to be pretty good. And how about showing people local hiking spots? Okay. So the last step of the sign-up flow asks people to connect their LinkedIn and Twitter accounts. So I'll do that now. In the interest of time, I'm not going to demo the account connection process, but now my Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook accounts are all linked to my Persice account. So that's the end of the sign-up flow, and I'll enter the app. The first page we land on is the crowd, which shows all the people around me who have matching goals and interests. So we've taken all the information the user just gave us as part of the sign-up, their interests, their goals, their offers, as well as Facebook data, LinkedIn data, Twitter data, and matched that to all of the interest data that we have for other users in the area. And you can see this match score is used to sort the list so that the people I have the most things in common with show up at the top. From here, I can drill in and see what specifically I have in common with each person within the crowd. So if I look at John, I can see his top interests include classical piano, CrossFit, exercising, mountain biking, philosophy, and startups. And if I look at Fitzgerald, I can see that we match on 3D printing, astronomy, also CrossFit, but hiking and mountain climbing and trail running. So for each person, we may match on different things, but it gives me a better idea what specifically we have in common. From here, I can also narrow my search. Let's say for today, I'm really just looking to connect with people who are interested in kite surfing. So I can go into the filters, add that, and you can see now there's only a subset of people in the crowd who are interested in kite surfing. So let's click on Barry's profile. Immediately I notice that Barry's from Austin, where I have some family, which is cool. And if I scroll down and see we have some matching interests on 3D printing, CrossFit, kite surfing, and technology. He has some other interests in acting and bar hopping. If I go to his goals, I can see that he's actually learning to kite surf. So, I think that I could help him out. So I'm going to try to connect with him by clicking this little check mark here. And that takes me back to the crowd feed. And if Barry clicks on that button as well, we'll be connected. And I can show you now I have already have some existing connections. That filter for kite surfing is still being applied here. So if I want to see all my connections, I can go here and remove it. But again, for now, I'm just looking for people to go kite surfing with. So these are the people in my existing network who are also interested in kite surfing. And I can go in and hit my buddy Sasha and maybe send him a message and say, hey Sasha, want to go kite surfing this weekend? Send that to him. So now let's say I want to check out other events going on in my area. I go to the main navigation menu and click on events. And here are all the events near me that match my interests and goals, and also have people attending them with similar interests and goals as me. I can filter this list by distance and date and other keywords. And I can also go to a calendar view to see a chronological list of events happening in my area over the next few days or months. And there's also a map view, which allows me to see where all these events are located. Now let's go back to the list view, and I'm going to go into this Python developers meetup. And in addition to all the basic information about the meetup itself, I want to go in and see exactly who's going to be attending. So I navigate into the attendees list, and I can see that I have 3 people from my network who are attending this event from Persice, Facebook, and my LinkedIn network. And I can scroll down to see the other people attending the event. And for each person, I can look at what specifically we have in common. So for instance, Toby and I have a very high match score here of 27. So I want to take a peek at his profile to see exactly what interests we have in common. And I can see that even though this is an event for developers, it's the Python Developer Conference, I can see that in addition to some tech stuff that we have in common, like 3D printing and machine learning, we also have other things in common like kite surfing and snowboarding and astronomy. So, this tells me Toby's somebody at this event I should try to connect with. You can see that there are well over 200 people at this event. That's really, really valuable information. So that concludes the overview of Persice. I hope you found it useful. Please check out our other videos just to learn more about the company, the team, and where we're at in the fundraising process. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at thomas@persice.com. Thanks.